talk about combining like terms today and distributive property. That's the two things. You worked on combining like terms since middle school, but again, this is kind of like a refresher with everything. We don't want to move forward without putting it in the reviewing one more time on this one. Okay, what does it mean by a like term?
Like the same like term. Same variable.
Same variable. Okay, that makes more sense. If they have a variable, it will be the same variable. So if it is x for one of them, the other one is x, they're the like terms. If it is x squared on one term, the other one is x squared, they're the like terms. If it is xy in one term, the other one is xy, they're the like terms. Who are the variables? Which one are the variables when we deal with it? Only x is variable? Any letter can be a variable. It can be P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Doesn't matter. Any letter, U, V, whichever, any letter will be a variable. That's not a number. Any integer, that's the number. That's separate. And if you have any letter, that can be a variable. Okay. I just wanted to make sure that we have the clear concept about these things. I'm working on number 1. We look at this one. What are the like terms over here?
7 and 8 and 13 is 2. X.
So this is going to be like term, and the other two are going to be with the x. So these two are going to be the like term. We good? So we're going to combine them. It's kind of, they like to stay with their families. So they're family together. All right. So I'm working on this too. What do I get? Plus and minus makes it a?
Plus.
Plus and minus makes it a? So we subtract them. So it's going to be 1. Is it a plus 1 or a minus 1? Why is it a plus 1? 8 is big. 8 has a plus. We're going to have a plus 1. Now over here, plus and plus makes it a?
Plus.
So we add them. What do we get? 15x. Is it a plus 15 or a minus 15x?
Plus.
Why is it a plus? 13 is bigger. 13 has a plus. We have a plus. Always go by one rule. Don't mix it up. If you are saying the bigger number is giving me the sign, stick to it. If it is a plus or minus, always the bigger number is giving you the sign. Doesn't matter. Both of them has the same sign. Don't jeopardize your own logic. So go by just one rule throughout, because there are so many different rules you deal with in Algebra 2. So stick to one rule. Any question on this one? We good? If we are good, do number 2 and 3 by yourself. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, how about to talk about one more problem? That's the distributive property. We're talking about the distributive property over here. I'm pretty sure most of you are comfortable with it. I just want to go over one problem just to give a refresher again. Look at number 5 over here. So on this one, remember the distributive property we apply when we have a parenthesis and then there is a number with that parenthesis without any sign in the middle. So if you look at this one, there is a parenthesis over here. All of them have a parenthesis, and with the parenthesis I have a number. There is no sign in the middle. It means it's automatically considered as multiplication, and that number with the parenthesis will be distributed with everything that you have inside the parenthesis. If you have 5 terms inside the parenthesis, you are going to distribute it with all 5 of them. Here it's only showing two terms inside the parentheses. Doesn't matter. It doesn't mean it will always have 2 terms. It can have more. So we're distributing them. We're going to get 4 times 2 is going to be 8x, and 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Is it a plus 2 or a minus 2? Minus, because plus and minus makes it a minus, and then a plus x. Now we're going to do the like terms. What are the like terms over here? 8x and x. So we're going to add them. So what do we get? 9x minus 2. We good? All right. Any question? Any question? All right. Go ahead, do number 7 and 8. I'm giving you a minute. Okay, just be mindful on one thing. I'm just talking about number 8.
All right, we are ready for student.
All right, so over here I'm missing a number. If it is helpful for you, you can put a 1 over here, and 15x, this negative 1 will be distributed with both of them. So I have a negative x, minus and minus makes it a plus.
Parent Square is down. Miss Washington, Infinite Campus is down. Miss Washington has split instruction.
All right, and then you combine the like terms, so it's going to be 14x plus 4, not 14x minus 4. So keep that in mind. We're going to talk about the applying the distribution property. Please pay attention properly. I need your 100% attention over here. I know these are the similar type of thing. There is nothing to explain. But when it comes to take the quiz or the test, everything is mixed up, right? Now we are only working on same type of problem. Great. I'm telling you, work on this way. You're doing it. But when I take the unit test, it's everything together. So you need to figure out what you are doing. Try to understand the difference between the problems that you just worked on and the new type of problem. If you have any equal sign in the middle, it means it's an equation. So there are two sides, left and right side. So this is going to be an equation. And at that time, you have to solve it, find the value for whatever variable is given for you, and give me the answer. If you look at the previous one, there is no equal sign. It means this is an expression. This is not an equation. So you don't have to solve it. You just combine them and leave it as it is. But when you move here, if you have the equal sign in the middle, it means it's an equation. There are two sides and you have to solve it for the given variable. Let's take a note on the top so it stays with you. Just for the convenience so you don't get confused. So let's take a note on the top. If there is an equal sign, in the middle, and we have two sides, it's called an equation. We have to solve it. And give the value for the variable. If there is an equal sign in the middle and we have two sides, it's called an equation. We have to solve it and give the value for the variable. So that's the expectation from any equation. We good? Let's work on one of the problems. Let's work on number 2. I'm showing number 2. Same thing. We are showing the distribution property first. So I'm going to distribute 7 with both of them. What do I get? 7p minus
47. So another 21. I did 9 in my head.
Okay. Now, pay attention. There is so many different ways that you solve equation. Everyone has their own way of understanding it and moving forward to it. The way how I do it is that variable always likes to stay by itself. It's isolated. So what I do, I always hide the variable, whatever I have with the variable. And whatever is on the same side of the variable, I start working with that one. And I have to get rid of those. So I have negative 21 on the same side of the variable. How can I get rid of it? What is the opposite of negative? Positive. So we are going to add 21 on both sides. So this cancels each other. This is going to go down. I have 7p is going to be equal to, what do I get on this side? What do I get on this side?
6.
56. All right. Is it a plus 56 or a minus 56? Why plus?
There's no negative added.
All right. So 35 is bigger. That's how I understand. That bigger number always gives me the sign if I'm adding or subtracting. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. What should I do? I have to isolate my P. Divide by 7. 7 is a multiplication. We're gonna divide with a 7. Now don't get confused over here. Whatever you have with your variable. I have a 7 here. I'm dividing with 7. If I have a negative 3, I'm gonna divide both sides with negative 3. So whatever you have with your variable, you're gonna divide with that number. It can be a positive number, it can be a negative number. All right? So what's the value for P? 8. Any question on this one? We good? Great. Go ahead, do number 1 and 3. I'm giving you 2 minutes. It should be enough.
What's the homework?
I'll talk about it. Okay. Let me talk about the homework. Go to your homework packet, please. All right. So this is combining. We already worked on simplifying radicals. The combining like terms, I don't need you to do all of them. Just do all the even numbers from this one. So all even numbers. Okay? We good? Now flip the page. Here is the distribution property, and there are 15 problems. So we're going to work on all 15 of them.
All 15?
Yeah. We good? Great. Okay. Those who are done with number 1 and 3, go ahead, do the rest of the problem. I have the answer key. Bring it to me so you can check your answer, and I'm going to sign it. Any question? All right, great.